Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good Friday afternoon. It's October 9th. So today I'm back with a short update on Hurricane Delta. So that's pretty much what we're going to be talking about today. It's getting ready to make landfall. Yeah. So as you guys can see, this is the latest visible satellite. That is Hurricane Delta right there. It still has 110 mile per hour winds. The eye is kind of right there. It's tracking closer to the Louisiana area. The cloud shield's making it all the way up into southern Illinois, southern Ohio, in that area. So it's definitely a very big system. It's affecting the weather today in a lot of places, like Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, with clouds, really. And Louisiana is going to get hit the hardest today. Laura's approaching, or it's going to make landfall probably within the next couple hours. Not in a couple hours, but next several hours. We just still have a while to go, though. Not a while, we still have a little bit of time before it makes landfall. Pretty big system. Play this out. It's moving further to the north, pretty slowly. And let's look at the composite radar and see where this is. So you guys can see the eye wall is right in that area, and it's getting kind of close to Louisiana. We have some rain showers in pretty much most of the southeast and some thunderstorms going on right now. Now let's see. You can see that. And today we do have a chance for tornadoes. Kind of in this area is where the SPC has the best chance for tornadoes happening today. You can actually turn that on right here like this. SPC graphics, SPC day one outlook. So yeah, the best chance for tornadoes is right there in eastern Louisiana and southwestern Mississippi. And there is a chance for tornadoes as far north as Mississippi and Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. That's what Delta looks like now. You can see 110 mile per hour hurricane, and 963 millibars is the central pressure. The cone, the National Hurricane Center has it being the hurricane making landfall. We have hurricane warnings out for areas of southeastern Texas and southwestern and central Louisiana. It's forecast to be a storm, and then as it goes through northern Louisiana, then once it gets into Mississippi, it's forecasted to be a depression, as you guys can see right there. Let's look at the wind history. Areas of Louisiana and Texas have already gotten affected by tropical storm force winds, and the hurricane force wind field's actually growing right there. Now, today, we do not have a high risk for flash flooding like we did with Sally. We just have a moderate risk, and that's for areas of Louisiana, Mississippi, and eastern Texas. Peak surge map, 7 to 11 feet in south central Louisiana. New Orleans, you have about a 10 to 20% chance of getting tropical storm force winds, but we have a 90 to 100% chance for areas, or a pretty big area of Louisiana. Probably more than half of Louisiana has a 90 to 100% chance of tropical storm force winds. And then rainfall potential, an area of 6 to 10 inches right there, an area of 6 to 10 inches in Louisiana up through Arkansas and western Mississippi. So you guys can see right there. And so the last thing we're going to be talking about is we're just going to see what it's forecasted to do. So the remnants are forecasted to move into Mississippi tomorrow, and then by Sunday they're forecasted to be in Tennessee. On Monday they're just going to be bringing some rain to the east, and they're going to collide with a strong cold front. And we're going to be talking about that cold front in tomorrow's video, because we might have a pretty big cool down as we go into next weekend for a lot of the U.S., as you guys can see right there. Even maybe some snow for the northeast, for the higher elevations. So weather is starting to get more active. We have potentially some interesting, might even have some snow. We're going to have upcoming snow chances probably as we get further into October. We're going to have more upcoming snow chances. I don't know if this is actually going to happen yet, because this is a little bit more than a week out. But we'll have to see, though, because we are supposed to be having – GFS has been kind of consistent with a strong cold front for the past couple model runs. And we're going to be talking about that more tomorrow if that continues. But, so that's the wrap of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow.